This video shows how Minute Survey and text classification programs, otherwise known as sentiment analysis, can detect service problems within an educational program. This analysis relies on data taken from the web and is focused on health administration programs. These data were analyzed as part of a course on health information systems at Georgetown University, which was taught by Farouk Alemi, PhD. The video here displays a complaint of students complaining about a professor, and it helps add us in with our data collection. Sentiment analysis refers to the application of natural language processing, computational linguistics, and text analytics to identify and extract subjective information in source material. In order to perform sentiment analysis, you must find data that rates programs, movies, basically anything in either positive or negative fashions. The data could be found from anywhere on the web, blogs, websites, such as Rate My Professor and Facebook, as well as Twitter. Once you have the data, you need to record details about the data, such as the date of the complaint or praise, the comment itself, and your source. Once that is complete, you analyze the data to pull out any complaints, and even further, only professors with 3 or more in order to efficiently analyze the data. The next step is to calculate the time to the next complaint. What we did for this program was to research any comments made about the professors or programs from health administration programs in Georgetown University, Penn State University, and George Washington University. To calculate the time to the next complaint, we had to first get the date of the first complaint, date of the last complaint, the number of complaints per professor, the daily probability of complaint, which is the number of complaints divided by the date of the last complaint minus the date of the first complaint, and finally the dates till the next complaint. For example, here is a data set for Professor Spocus from Penn State University. Professor Spocus, we calculate the difference between the dates by using the days360 function on Excel to find that there is 844 days between the first and last complaint. We then calculated the daily probability of complaint by dividing the total number of complaints by the difference between the two dates. So 4 divided by 844, which gave us 0.004739. We then calculated the days till next complaint by dividing 1 by the daily probability of complaint and then subtracting 1 from our answer to achieve ultimately 210 days till the next complaint. Here's an example of sentiment analysis, also known as automated text analysis. As you can see, words such as awful, bad, and miserable classify this as a complaint. These comments are then even further classified to fit into categories such as instruction, course content, resources, social life, academic rigor, and other. Here are the summary of complaints for Professor Spocus. As you can see, 25% of her complaints were based on academic rigor, another 50% were based on core content, and the final 25% were instruction. Sentiment analysis is the best because it saves time and money. It costs less because you're not printing anything. It also increases satisfaction and can be done in a shorter time period because overall demographics are being collected. Thank you.